Something unusual is happening across the world right now. Artificial intelligence is not just another technology trend competing for attention among many others. It has become a global focus point for governments, companies, investors, researchers, and everyday people all at the same time. Very few technologies in history have ever attracted this level of simultaneous global attention, and even fewer have sustained it for this long. So the question is simple: why is AI attracting so much attention? The answer is not one thing. It is a combination of economic pressure, technological capability, geopolitical competition, and social transformation all happening at once. AI is not just a tool. It is a system that affects nearly every major part of modern life. To understand this clearly, we need to break it down from the beginning. First, AI is attracting attention because it represents a major leap in capability. For the first time, machines are not just calculating or storing information. They are generating language, images, code, strategies, and decisions that resemble human thinking. This shift from passive computation to active generation is what makes AI feel different from previous technologies. When people interact with AI systems, they are not just using software. They are interacting with something that appears to understand them, respond intelligently, and adapt in real time. That experience alone creates curiosity, excitement, and concern across society. But capability alone is not enough to explain global attention. The second reason is economic impact. AI is already reshaping industries at a massive scale. Companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Nvidia are investing heavily in AI because it directly increases productivity, reduces costs, and creates entirely new revenue streams. Businesses are realizing that AI is not just an improvement to existing systems, it is a multiplier. It allows companies to do more with less, scale faster, and operate with higher efficiency than ever before. In financial terms, that means higher profits, higher valuations, and stronger competitive advantages. Whenever a technology directly affects profit and productivity at this scale, global attention naturally follows. But AI is also attracting attention because it is changing the labor market. People around the world are asking the same question: what jobs will exist in the future? AI is capable of automating tasks in writing, design, programming, customer service, analysis, and even parts of management. This creates uncertainty but also opportunity. Workers are trying to understand how to adapt. Students are trying to decide what to study. Governments are trying to prepare for workforce transitions. Companies are redesigning roles and workflows. This uncertainty creates widespread attention because it affects personal survival and career direction. When people feel that a technology might change their job, they pay attention. Another major reason AI is receiving global attention is its speed of development. Unlike many technologies that take decades to mature, AI is evolving rapidly. New models, tools, and applications are being released continuously. What was considered advanced last year can become outdated in months. This rapid pace creates a sense of urgency. People feel that if they do not keep up, they might fall behind permanently. This urgency drives media coverage, social discussion, and global interest. There's also a deeper psychological factor at play. AI feels different from other technologies because it mimics human intelligence. When people see AI writing, speaking, or generating ideas, they instinctively compare it to human capability. This creates both fascination and discomfort. For the first time, technology is not just external. It feels cognitive, it feels like thinking. And anything that appears to think naturally attracts attention. Another major reason for global focus is the geopolitical dimension of AI. Countries are competing to lead in AI development because it is becoming a strategic resource. AI influences military systems, cybersecurity, economic productivity, scientific research, and national infrastructure. Nations that lead in AI may gain long-term advantages in global influence. This creates competition between major economies, especially in areas like computing infrastructure, chip manufacturing, and AI research. This is why governments are funding AI programs, building regulations, and investing in national AI strategies. When a technology becomes part of national security strategy, global attention is inevitable. Another key driver is the financial market impact. AI is heavily influencing stock markets and investment decisions. Companies associated with AI development often see rapid valuation increases based on expectations of future growth. Investors are trying to identify winners early, which leads to massive speculation, analysis, and media coverage. Financial attention amplifies public attention. When markets move based on AI news, people who normally do not follow technology start paying attention. Another reason AI is attracting attention is because it is becoming embedded into everyday tools. Search engines, smartphones, social media platforms, productivity software, and business tools are increasingly powered by AI systems. This means people are interacting with AI even when they are not consciously aware of it. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, it becomes harder to ignore. People begin to notice it everywhere. Another important factor is productivity transformation. AI is changing how work gets done across industries. Tasks that used to take hours or days can now be completed in minutes. Entire workflows are being redesigned around AI assistance. This creates massive efficiency gains, but also major disruption. Organizations are trying to understand how to restructure teams. Managers are learning how to integrate AI into operations. Employees are learning new tools. Consultants are analyzing transformation strategies. Whenever a system changes how work is performed at scale, attention increases. But AI is also attracting attention because it lowers barriers to creation. People who previously could not code, design, write, or build software can now use AI tools to create content and products. This democratization of capability is extremely powerful. It means more people can participate in digital creation, entrepreneurship, and innovation. When a tool expands access to capability, global attention increases dramatically. Another major factor is media amplification. AI generates headlines. It creates viral content. It produces images, videos, and text that spread rapidly across social platforms. This makes AI a constant topic in news cycles, online discussions, and educational content. Media attention reinforces public attention, creating a feedback loop. The more AI is discussed, the more people become curious. The more people become curious, the more AI is discussed. Another important reason is uncertainty. AI raises many unanswered questions about the future. Will it replace jobs or create new ones? Will it increase inequality or reduce it? Will it be controlled safely or become unpredictable? Will it concentrate power or distribute it? Whenever a technology raises deep uncertainty about the future, it attracts global attention. People want answers, even if those answers are not yet fully available. Another dimension is innovation speed. AI is accelerating innovation in almost every other field. Science, medicine, engineering, logistics, education, and entertainment are all being enhanced by AI systems. This makes AI a multiplier of progress, not just a single industry. When one technology affects many other industries at once, it naturally becomes the center of global focus. There is also a cultural factor. AI is influencing creativity. It is changing how music is produced, how art is created, how films are edited, and how content is generated. This challenges traditional ideas about creativity and originality. People are paying attention because culture itself is changing. Not just industries, not just jobs, but expression. Finally, AI is attracting global attention because it represents a transition point in human history. Every major technological era has had a defining shift. The Industrial Revolution, the Internet Revolution, the Mobile Revolution. Each one changed how societies functioned at a fundamental level. AI is widely seen as the next major transition. And when people feel they are living through a historical turning point, attention naturally increases. Because they do not want to be left behind. They want to understand it. They want to adapt to it. They want to benefit from it. So when we combine all of these factors together, economic impact, job disruption, rapid development, geopolitical competition, financial influence, media amplification, cultural change, and historical significance, we begin to understand why AI is attracting global attention. It is not just one reason, it is everything happening at once. And that is what makes AI different from previous technologies. It is not just changing one part of the world, it is touching every part of it simultaneously. And that is why the world is watching so closely. And that is why the world is watching so closely.